Yo, look at this. Now look at this one. Fire.
What you liking? You like those?
Oh man. Those are fresh.
Giannis.
No, the honest. Wow. Oh man.
Look at it. Yup.
I swear I more got these.
Damn, some up tempo.
Which one would you get, bro? This one? This one? Or that? Jabbo got these.
Nah, different. This is a different one.
Yeah, I got these. But different color.
I like these ones. This one and that one.
You right?
Hey, it's gonna whip out the black card.
Onları yeşillik karar. Ne köy? Yes, oh, I like this color, bro. Black and red.
Blue, the red one.
This one too. Which one you getting, bro?
I'm gonna just take all the on this side, the forces, then I'm gonna try to cop the ones. So that's my shoes. I'm gonna get like 6 pairs.
Bro,
6 pairs.
what about your cards? Let's see your cards. Let me see how many. Let me see.
You got this is over, let's say 3,000 inside. What do you have on this saving?
Bro, I like those Air Forces. Cream. Matches our jersey, bro.
That's tough. 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 Get to the money, on get some with you, that's tough. Get some with you, that's tough. Get to the money, on get some with you, that's tough. Get some with you, that's tough. Just let you hold my wallet for a little bit. Down, jump on one of the door hats.
Meneer dat is die bigger, joh. Oh. Karame chame poets. Chop poets.
Get the Timbs. Oh, this cup, the matches over there.
Hey, jij wil die aan het skeuwen. Ze hebben die keuwen met z'n ideeën. Ewe roken. Keuwen chat. Ewe die poi ka. Hier die poi keuwen agora. Hier chop poets. Hey, show me yours, bro. Forces.
I got the basic Forces ones. with clear champion sauce. That's how we rolling today. Then we got
What you got, bro?
the Force Ones, off-whites.
The beater ones. These are my beat up Fazos.
We got
What you got? What you got?
Converse.
Done. What are those?
These are Converse All-Star, baby.
You got this.
We got some nice shit.
Air Force. There you go. Biddies. Good carajo. Carajo. Valentine's. Wow. What do you got, bro?
Yeah, bro.
What do you got?
21s.
Let me see. Put it up. Show them. Show them all.
Everything.
Oh, we just got the Nike slippers. Let me see yours. Let me see yours. Hey. Rok ka na rok pa bachink. Hey. Mira. Mira to. Those are the all blacks. Mate. Ayaro. Misibis. Nok ke Iraro su kanarı. Redet. Su kanarı nge. Nana çakme. Porit po. Now these ones are fresh as fuck. You like those? You like those? Yeah, put it up, I'll buy it.
I never seen these.
That's fire.
Yo, Benji. Which Benji? Carl.
Carry. What are these? Damn. Thumbnail. Wait, so whose are these, bro?
Kobe.
Nah, it's not Kobe, bro. Doesn't have the Mamba sign.
Isn't it like
I don't know.
Where's like Downzone? But Downzone was the Kobe's, but these are live.
It's nice because it's 24. Those are like Gonzone. Who has those ones now? Purchase. Where's that at? A ball? Hoop? Oh shit. I got a hoop in here. Wow.
Can that shit break?
Go. Homie? Go ahead.
What is it, bro? Come on.
Oh, it's just T-Taki, bro.
What is it?
T-E-E space T-A-K-K-Y. That one. Hey, thanks, bro.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. What's your name?
Junior.
Junior?
Look, I feel like it. Let me know.
Hey, hell yeah. Hey, bro, you got a nice hoop in here, bro.
So I got that shit on like, it was at Dick's for like $20.
For real?
I was me and her just went half and half on there. We're like, fuck it, bro, because we bored as hell here.
Yeah?
District manager finna see this dog. We're finna get it.
Yo,
Back
bro.
next week, we'll fire dog. Nah, it works out though too, cause like with the little kids,
Yeah, they like it, bro.
they be
No, that's
playing
smart though, bro.
when their parents be like shopping and shit, and the kids.
That's smart, bro. They're gonna wanna come here now.
Yeah.
You stupid, bro. Why'd you do that? God damn it, Jerry. We're gonna get us kicked out, man. Nigga, this one matches you, bro. These are the kids section. Wow. Ooh. Old school. These are Keba and Nerdles and Outback and F type shoes. Back in the days. Oh, where's Jero?
Welcome back to YouTube. Right now we're leaving the biggest mall in Utah.
This ain't the biggest mall in Utah, bro. The biggest one is the one in Twila. Oh, Twila. They don't even got a mall in Twila.
The one in
It's
South
the
Weaver?
Sandy. The one in Sandy.
They got a mall.
Yeah. You see, look at.
This is what we call the future of the mall. And we're with the 50 Miss clan, the OG man. He's the leader of the clan.
Goba.
Mr. Goba. Goba-san.
We don't call him that.
Goba. Yo, buy me one tea. Buy me one too, Cal.
See you later, bro. Peace out, bro.